Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Health-conscious families and eco-savvy renters are the primary audiences for the ZeroWater Replacement Filter. A family that cooks with tap water every day will notice how the 5-stage ion exchange system eliminates lead, chromium, and PFOA, ending the worry of hidden toxins in baby formula or soups. Meanwhile, an environmentally aware renter can replace the filter every 15 gallons, about 1 month of typical use, and avoid buying 110 single-use plastic bottles per filter, saving up to 660 bottles annually. The IAPMO certification guarantees the water tastes pure, and the BPA-free plastic ensures no plastic leaching. With a 2-pack delivering double the convenience, this filter turns ordinary tap water into a safe, great-tasting staple for any household.